Das ist bitte auf Fenster stehen.
You always want to be an adult.
Mommy, your belly.
You always want to be an adult.
Mommy, your belly is back.
Yeah, leave my belly alone. My belly is hungry. Where is my bag? Oh, it's with him. Dude, bring my bag for me. You got that already? Ashley, here.
Mommy has to take this one.
Ah, Ashley.
Mommy,
Yeah,
I want to take off that.
we have to pick from there.
Mommy, can I have one chocolate cake and one chocolate muffin?
Ashley. You hear what he asked for? One chocolate cake, one chocolate muffin. Only him alone. Can you help Richard out or let me do? Leave the way. That's what you want? You sure? Tiramisu. Ooh.
I'm taking one, Mommy.
You're taking two. That is two, not one.
Can I have?
Okay.
Yes, take it.
Which one do you want? That one? Does anybody need salad here?
Und
Pommes, aber ohne Erbsen. Dann eine Familienportion.
Why you don't want green peas?
not tonight.
Not today,
And
okay.
what did you want?
You know what I want. I want flax, yes.
Komm mal hier rüber. Did we need extra plates?
Yes, pick plate. There's plate here to pick. Yeah, Richard.
I want them to have
What is he doing checking out the food? What is that one doing checking out the food? It's not even
Something
enough.
have to be filled.
Turn around. What? Are you not the one that picked the other one? So you can't pick it anymore. I actually wanted something from here too. But you have something already. What? Come here, let's go. Shad, do you want soup?
I want,
It's a pumpkin soup.
yes, I want pumpkin.
No, it's not pumpkin. It's carrot and ginger. Shad, carrot and ginger. Don't worry.
It takes 3 of them.
White cereal, okay.
Which?
Ashley don't want to work. He only like to eat. That's for Ashley. All of them. But none of them is doing anything to you. Leave my baby alone. Some people lack home training. A lot of people actually lack home training. Just imagine how those people lack home training. Finish eating and leave them behind. Pick that.
Phone.
Imagine coming to a restaurant to eat and you finish eating and it's a public place that you leave your plate behind. So the table is ready. Waiting for them to come. Oh, I'm here with Ashley and Liam. What is it? Is everything okay with you? It's not funny, Ashley. Just put on a happy face, Ima. Before people will be asking what is wrong with you. Eh? Very soon they will start asking again what is wrong with you, what is wrong with you. Yeah. I didn't ask you to remain like that. Ashley, I didn't ask you to remain like that. Just be a normal boy. A regular child. A happy child. There they are looking for us. Why should I let them to be searching?
No!
she wanted daddy to be searching. Richard still haven't seen us. Hi, Richard. He must say hi, mommy. You can sit wherever you want, young lady. Yeah?
It's fine. Can you matter?
No, go and drop it.